to Jim's Garage Toys. I've got a little quick video for you today, and this was actually requested. They wanted me to do a cold start video comparing the sound of my GR Corolla to my 2009 Corolla S Turbo and my 2017 Corolla IM, so which I've done exhaust system on too. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and do that. I've got all three sets of keys right here, and we will move around to each one of the cars. On the GR Corolla, it's brand new, it's stock, haven't done anything to it that way yet. On my 2017 Corolla IM, it does have a DC Sports cold air intake, a DC Sports ceramic header, and a DNA catback exhaust, 2¼ inch, I believe, catback exhaust. So on my 2009 Corolla S that I turbocharged, obviously it's got the turbo system on it, and it's got a 3-inch downpipe with a 3-inch stainless steel exhaust and a MagnaFlow muffler on that. So that's kind of the details of these. We'll do a cold start on each one, and I'll record it and let you guys hear the differences. So I'm kind of curious to hear this too. I've done each one separately, but I've never kind of done them back to back so I could compare them. So this will be fun. So with that, let's go ahead and get started.